I'm still at Anza Borrego State Park in the desert, but what is that right there? It is a drone. I am legally going to fly my drone in Anza Borrego State Park. I'll give more information later. So there you have it, folks. Droning in Anza Borrego State Park, courtesy of a man named Eric who bought 50 acres of land here and turned this into a drone sanctuary. Just started in December, and it's January, end of January right now. So testing it out. He said I could definitely advertise and post, so get ready for a video and how to find this awesome spot where droners of all skill levels can come and fly in an awesome state park. Frisco Roamer, peace.